All right, if you are one of your kids run cross country or track and you're checking out these replacement spikes right here, it does come in this little container that you see here. It does come with the tightening and loosening tool right there. I'm going to show you if these look exactly the same as the spikes that you may already have. And let's take a look at this little container that it comes in, because it is convenient. It comes in a little container. You can see you get plenty of the spikes there. They're like my daughter. She seems to always lose them. They come up missing, so we're constantly having to replace them. Now, the container just has a little latch like that, opens right up. Does have a nice snap to it there. Not coming out, so that way you don't have to worry about when you throw this into a bag or anything like that, like your backpack, about these spilling all over the place. Does keep it contained very well. You might be wondering, will the tool actually work on your existing spike? So here's the ones that we already have on there. Fits right on. Allows me to loosen that up. All right, now let's take one of these replacement spikes, see how they fit. Screwing right in. Two fits right on. And you can see I actually put a larger one. These are the 1/4 inch. These are more like a 3/16. So it fits right into the shoe perfectly. It's in there nice and snug and can take out your other spikes. So if you're looking for some replacement spikes and tool, these work great.